Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Indian Punjabi style cooking. Best of all, my easy steps cooking. I'm going to cook today drumsticks with peas and yogurt in oven. And how do I'm going to make it? I'm going to share with you. I have a 4.5 pound drumsticks, fresh. I will use 1 cup of green peas, they are frozen, 1 cup yogurt, 4 tablespoons olive oil, 1 large lemon juice, I already took the juice out, 1 tablespoon my garlic and ginger paste. I will have my spices consist of 1 tablespoon of each: salt, black pepper, coriander powder, red chili powder, and a small pinch of food coloring. And from this lemon, I took some zest out. So I'm going to use that. What I have done already, I'm going to share with you. The peas, I'm going to replace with this one. I already grinded my peas. That's 1 cup peas already grinded. My chicken, I already took the skin out. Already made 3 cuts in there. It's good to make a cut on a chicken when you're doing in the oven, because once we do the seasoning, it goes inside, then they taste better. I'm going to show you in easy steps. I'll bring my olive oil, my lemon juice, ginger and garlic paste, and my peas paste, my yogurt, 1 cup yogurt. Before I add any spices, I'm just going to make sure that I mix it. So you mix it good. Now we're going to marinate our chicken. I will add my spices. First thing, I'm going to bring the color, lemon zest, red chili powder, black pepper, coriander powder, and salt. Now I'll mix it good. Okay, it's all looking good. Beautiful. This is the reason I'm saying you need to mix it well. Even if we put our chicken in there and we leave it in there, it's gonna be all marinated. Beautiful. So what I will do, I'll bring my all chicken in there. And I have to use my hand in order to make sure that it's all are fully covered with masala, the seasoning. So especially you need to make sure that the cuts we made, the seasoning should go inside. And once it's done, I'm going to cover this with the plastic cover. So now I'm going to let it sit. It's been 2 hours. My chicken has been marinated. And look at, it smells so good, nice aroma. I laid out my chicken, looking beautiful, and the rest remaining my seasoning, I'm going to put it everything in there. It's going to cook with my peas, and it's going to give us such a delicious flavor, and nobody will ever guess it that the peas taste is a different, unique taste, and they're going to say, wow, we tried these drumsticks and they were good, and they're going to ask for the recipe, and then I'm sure I have to appreciate you. Then you're gonna say, this is easy steps. and they're going to laugh at you. What is easy steps? I don't think it's easy steps. It's going to be hard to make. Then you're going to explain them. No, easy steps. Dude, it's a channel name. They show us things in easy steps. So now I'm going to stick my chicken into oven for 25 minutes to half an hour. I have an oven at 450 and I'm going to put it in. Look at how beautiful it's looking. It's exactly 30 minutes. Oh, as soon as I open my oven door, my Alaskan Malamute going crazy. So what I will do, I'm going to turn this my chicken around again, and I'll let it cook again. It's look like already fully cooked, but I'm going to cook another 10 or 15 minutes or more. After turning my chicken looking so beautiful, I'm going to take it out. It's all done. How beautiful it looks. Looking rich. I'm going to serve into my platter. My chicken. Beautiful. It's marinated with peas, garlic. Look at how beautiful it's cooked already. And yogurt. My beautiful chicken drumsticks with peas and yogurt is already mouth-watering, and the gravy of peas gravy is so delish that you can use with the bun, use as a spread, and you eat it and you will enjoy it. And my chicken is really nice cooked. It's fully cooked and all is marinated. It's so nice smelling and beautiful aroma. Such a delicious, and I really appreciate each one of you joining my Indian Punjabi style, best of all, easy step cooking. If you like it, please give me thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.